Prime News this evening. Where should he sit? Mixed views on seating arrangements for embattled MP George Wright. Marked for death, stunning claims from woman in war-torn St. Andrew community. And toll rates set to climb yet again.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on Westmoreland Central MP George Wright sitting on the opposite benches of Parliament? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.